Welcome to the first class of Microsoft Word. This will be a very detailed class about Microsoft Word, and then we will jump to Microsoft Excel and then PowerPoint and Access, and later on maybe we can work on projects and Visio and Outlook and other softwares. Since Microsoft Office is a complete package that offers all official solutions in a single package, so we'll be talking. And so our first software. Let's begin with uh, how to find Microsoft Word and start it. Simple words. So the most basic way is by right-clicking on the desktop in an empty space, and in the new section you can see that there is written Microsoft Word document. If you click it, it will create a new Microsoft Word file, and if you double-click it, it will open Microsoft Word. The second method of doing this is by, if you don't want to like right click and other things, or there's some problem in your right mouse, right click, you can type Word. If you say Word, it will automatically, if it is installed, it will bring Microsoft Word and you can recognize it by the icon and the status saying app. So if you click it, it will bring Microsoft Word, it will open Microsoft Word. The third way of opening Microsoft Word is actually going by clicking the Start menu, and you can find it somewhere here. So here it is. If you click it, it will open Microsoft Word. The fourth way of opening Microsoft Word is it's actually what do you call it? Making it easy to open Microsoft Word. So you can right click on it and say Pin to Start. If you click Pin to Start, it will automatically pin it here. So there is no need of scrolling up and down in the Start menu. You can simply click the Start menu and click on Microsoft Word in short, and you can open it. There are more advanced methods of opening Microsoft Word. For example, if you right click on this and tell it that okay, on the more section, if you go and tell him that open file location, it will basically open that location where this Microsoft Word application is basically installed. So if you right click on that one, on its icon, and go to properties in the shortcut section, it's already assigned a shortcut. It was previously in the class we discussed this thing. But if you want to assign a new shortcut, for example, Control Shift W, please be careful. Do not assign those shortcuts which are already available in Windows. Like for example, Control C is a shortcut for copy. Control V is a shortcut for paste. So if you do that, you are actually overriding the built-in shortcuts, which we do not want to do because those are standards and in every place you can find them. So simple, as much as you can avoid duplication, it will be in the best of your in your best ways to do that. Apply. If you click apply, it will ask for administrative rights. If you are not an administrator, you cannot assign a shortcut. Click OK, and then so our shortcut is Control Shift W. Now you don't have to right click or click or type or something. You just press Control Shift and W, and as you do it, it will automatically open Microsoft Word. There are different other techniques as well in which you can easily you can easily create ways in which we can access Microsoft Word. So this is one of those. The last method which I would like to discuss here is if you go to Start menu, you can simply drag it and bring it to on the taskbar. It will tell you that I'm bringing a link on the taskbar. So if you click OK and release the click button, it will bring a shortcut. So it will always be here, and whenever you want it, you don't have to go here and there and remember shortcuts. You can simply click on this and it will open. Even if you close it, restart your computer, it will still be there and you can use it at any time at your access. Thank you for attending this lecture. See you in the next class.